I am shocked. I'm amazed at the quality of the actual hair. I mean, even just looking at it face on, like you cannot tell like where the hairline is versus on the edges. Like it's insane. I'm ecstatic with the results.
Um, I don't know what to say. This is crazy. I feel incredible, incredible. It's just my the most special part was my wife started to cry because she didn't expect it to look like this, and neither did I. And it reminds me of me being in high school because that's one of my favorite times for my hair, at least, and how just reminds me of my youth, and it's awesome. It's just incredible, and I want to thank you guys so much for this opportunity and for me to have this look back, and I love it, and I'm so grateful.
I think it's amazing. It's astonishing, like the results, and it feels so natural. And I mean, and the process is it's simple, and it's it's really lightweight. I can't even tell that it's on top of my head, but it makes me feel younger. And you just kind of you can just like run your hands through it, and everything. So I think it's awesome.
It's kind of, I'm speechless, you know. The whole time, as soon as it goes on, I literally couldn't stop smiling. Like I wanted to. I don't know. I felt like I shouldn't be smiling so much, but you know, as soon as you see it, it really feels like it goes on, weight comes off. Like it's just a huge.
Yeah,
I feel like myself again almost, and I've only had it on for a few minutes now, and it's just
feels good.
Yeah, it feels really good.
You know, we did the before interviews, and my brother and I were talking at lunch, you know, literally trying to lower our expectations so we wouldn't be disappointed.
Yeah.
Easily saying that's not the case. You know, we are more than surprised. It's I couldn't have expected this.